You know what? I watch cartoons to improve my English. Can you believe it? I know you cannot believe, but that's truth. So yesterday I got a comment and a person was asking, maybe a person who wants to learn English speaking, he was asking me that can you give me any tip to learn English or speak English? And that comment was very genuine because when I was a beginner in English speaking, I also used to think the same that how to learn English. There should be some tips. But no one told me what I am going to tell you today. So, hey everyone, this is Kashish Malik and it is day 14 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. Let me tell you why am I doing this challenge. I am doing it so that I can become a natural and fluent English speaker. I do not write any script before making the video. I just decide videos topic on the spot so that I can help you a bit and me. And thank you so much for subscribing my channel. We are 52 now. Yesterday we were only 47. So 5 people have come new and you all are welcome. Now let's start it. So what I do is I just search on the YouTube. This is YouTube surface. On that I am going to search English speaking cartoon. મને નામ પણ દીધું હોય. મેં કોરોના લગાવ્યું. So these are the cartoons which will come. Now what you need to do is, I know you all are busy in your lives, like we cannot give much time to a skill, I know, but we should give. By the way, I can understand your problem. I also go to college and I have much work, so I cannot practice a lot. So what you need to do is take a video which has less, which can be completed very early. Duration is very less, 5 minutes are enough. So take a video of 5 minutes. For example, this is value of time. This one I will watch and I will tell you. Now, when I will watch, I will understand the video and I will repeat it again and again so that I can understand it better. If it is so hard, then just repeat it and watch it again, then understand it and then try to speak it. I will tell you how to do it. Firstly, let me watch the video. Ads are compulsory on YouTube. Those we will have to accept. Okay, so this is the video. I'm not showing you so that you will get bored. Let me watch, then I will tell you what to do next. Okay, let's meet after watching the video. Okay, so I have watched the video. Now, whatever I watched in that video, I have put down phone. I have given it to my brother. It was my brother's phone. Now what will I do is, whatever I watched in that video, whatever I understood, maybe 1%, 2%, 3%, I will go in front of mirror or in front of camera and I will tell the same thing to myself or to my any friend. I will explain that what was there in that video. I'm going to explain you, and if you watch any video, you can explain to everyone. Okay. Now what was there in a video? There were there was a couple, husband and wife, and they had 2 children, Monu and Sonu. One was like both of them had different habits and different mindsets, but their face was same, like they were twins. Okay, what happened in that video was that Sonu used to wake up early and Monu also used to wake up early, but one day there was Sunday, like holiday was there, and Sonu woke up early and Monu also, but Sonu started studying for his test, but Monu went to outside and he played cricket there. So what happened on in the morning, like his father was asking to Sonu that beta, in this much morning you are studying. So he said that father, my test is there tomorrow, so I am studying for that. When Monu came back, when they asked to him, he said that I was playing game and test is tomorrow. I can study at night also, in the afternoon also. So his father said, okay, then study after taking bath. After taking bath, he went to play something else, then something else, and something else. And in this way, he kept procrastinating his work. Meanwhile, Sonu understood everything and remembered his whole test and learned it. And then they both went to school on next day. And on next day, Sonu got very good marks. Meanwhile, Monu did not. And when they came back, and the father was asking to both of them, then what was your marks, how were your marks? Then Sonu said to him that I got very good marks, but Monu did not get, and Monu started crying. He said that my luck is not good. So in that video they are trying to tell us that luck is nothing but your discipline is. Sonu got good marks not because his luck was good, but because he did hard work. Monu did not get because he was not doing hard work, and because he did not do that, now he is putting all the things on his luck. And his father explained Monu very politely, and he explained him that you should not rely on your luck, rely on your own hard work. So it was in that video. Now this video was of 5 minutes, but I explained it in 2 minutes or less than it. In the same way, you need to explain in your words, and that will force your mind to come with words because you already know a story and you need to tell that. I also made many mistakes. You would have noticed. You can write down and comment whatever mistakes are there. I will improve them. But whatever the mistakes were, that is a different part. I spoke full story. In the same way, you will make many mistakes, but speak full story. Maybe something which you understood, maybe something which you did not, maybe wrong, right? But try to speak. In that way, your mind will get the practice of speaking on any topic. It was all about. And if you like my video, you can subscribe to channel and come with us in our journey. Thank you so much. Bye.